So what is up guys, welcome to AGD Tech YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be giving you the latest news regarding Samsung's upcoming smartphones. Well guys, Samsung is going to be launching 3 new smartphones, or you can say flagship level smartphones, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you the latest news regarding them. So guys, today's video is going to be very interesting. So if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and Android world, then consider subscribing to our channel, as it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, first of all, now let me discuss regarding the naming scheme of this lineup. Okay, this is the most confusing factor about this upcoming smartphones, and let me make it clear. Well, last year Samsung introduced the S10, the S10 Plus and the S10e. So guys, this time Samsung is going to be launching its successor but with a new naming scheme. Okay, they are not going to be called as the S11 series, but they are going to be calling it as S20 series. Okay, the answer, this is a very different kind of question, like why directly S20? It might be a little bit off, but Samsung has an answer for this, and they say that 2020, or you can say this year 2020, is a new beginning of a new decade. So they want to put the new naming scheme on this smartphone, and hence they are opting for the S20 lineup. So guys, first smartphone is going to be the Samsung Galaxy S20, which is going to be just like the iPhone 11. Okay, it is going to be a mid-range smartphone by Samsung, which is going to be starting at the price tag of around 50,000. Okay, you cannot really say it as a budget-friendly smartphone. I think it lies more in the premium segment, but guys, this is going to be the less price variant. So the second model is going to be the S20 Plus. Okay, the S20 Plus, as you can see, this is possibly the image which this smartphone is going to be looking like. Okay, this is a leak, or you can say a finalized concept of the S20 Plus. So guys, this smartphone is going to be just like the iPhone 11 Pro. It is going to be a flagship smartphone from Samsung, which is going to be quite expensive. And the third smartphone, or you can say the best smartphone from Samsung, is going to be the S20 Ultra. Okay, with the S20 Ultra you're going to be getting the greatest specifications out there, and you can say basically that this smartphone is going to be the ultimate competitor to the iPhone 11 Pro. So guys, overall all of these 3 smartphones are going to be having 12 GB RAM option, but guys, it is expected that the S20 Ultra is going to be having a 16 GB RAM. Okay, we are living in this age that the RAM variant is increasing a lot, but this is the first take by Samsung. Okay, the OnePlus smartphones have the 12 GB RAM option, but guys, Samsung is going to be launching with the S20 Ultra a great 16 GB RAM option, and all of these smartphones are going to be starting at the storage variant of 128 GB. So overall, let me tell you, like, there is smartphone for everyone. So guys, in today's video I want to give you the main highlight regarding the S20 smartphone. Okay, it is going to be the ultimate competitor to the iPhone 11 because it is going to be a budget end offering. Okay, it is going to be starting at the price tag of somewhere around 48,000 to 50,000 Indian rupees. So like in United States dollars, its pricing is expected to be of $749, and so overall, let me tell you, like, it is going to be way better. Okay, the Samsung's S10e, which they launched last year, was a great smartphone. Okay, at that time it competed with the iPhone XR, and this time also there is no exception. So guys, overall I want to say, like, Samsung's new series or the new starting of the decade is going to be a great smartphone lineup. Like, there is a smartphone for everyone. Okay, if your budget is under 50,000, well guys, you have with you an alternative, and if you want to have the best of the best, then definitely the Samsung's S20 Ultra is a smartphone for you. So if you have liked today's video, in today's video I wanted to primarily focus on the naming scheme. Okay, many people don't know that why they are not calling it as the S11 lineup, so I wanted to discuss regarding that, and I also wanted to share the latest information regarding them. So guys, if there is going to be any other update regarding these smartphones, I'm definitely going to be covering it up. So guys, if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and Android world, then consider subscribing to our channel, as it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.